There was applause and protest this evening when Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett visited the University of Minnesota. Danny Spiewak shares the justice's message and why her visit caused some controversy.
There's an additional entrance over on the left.
At a packed Northrop auditorium,
you should never lose sight of the fact your decisions affect real people, and you should never lose your heart.
Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett outlined her judicial philosophy of originalism, interpreting the Constitution as written.
The text is the law, and the text controls.
This philosophy led former President Trump to appoint Justice Barrett in 2020, solidifying a conservative supermajority. Last year, she sided with conservatives in overturning the constitutional right to abortion. And this year, she ruled that affirmative action violated the 14th Amendment.
Overruling precedent is not something to be done lightly, but the court's own guidelines that it's always has followed for centuries recognize that there are times when it is the court's duty to do so.
Justice Barrett's appearance prompted protests outside and even inside the auditorium.
Please quiet down and allow the lecture to continue.
But the U of M defended Barrett's participation in the lecture series, which has featured both conservative and liberals on the court, dating back to Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg in 2014.
That's what a university should be, to explore different points of view, and I'm disappointed that they couldn't stay and hear her explanation.
Barrett also made some news when she said she supported a code of ethics for the court. That issue has come under scrutiny after revelations about Justice Clarence Thomas's trips with a Republican donor.
I think it would be a good idea for us to do it, particularly so that we can communicate to the public exactly what it is that we're doing.
Justice Barrett's appearance at the University of Minnesota today comes just a few weeks after the start of the Supreme Court's new term. The justices will have some huge agenda items on their list this term again, including more cases related to abortion and gun rights. Julie.
All right. Thank you, Danny.